Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shriparna Bhattacharjee, Assistant Professor in the Department of Education, Assam University. Here I am going to give you a brief introduction about the course on human rights, environmental protection, and sustainable development. We all know that environment is the integral part of our survival. When we think about environment, it refers to the natural as well as its social aspect. So, to protect the natural environment, the role of human is of paramount significance. In the recent past, we have seen the natural calamities and the catastrophes that have been in some way associated with technological development done by human civilization. So it is high time to think about the kind of climatic changes and the environmental jeopardization that are somehow deeply associated with the rights and survival of human civilization. That is why this particular course has been conceptualized to give an overview about the concept of human rights and how these rights are essentially related with the idea of environmental protection. Here we will try to specifically understand the national and the international covenants, what are the guidelines that have been prescribed about the interrelationship between human rights and environmental protection and how it plays a very, very significant role to the development of a sustainable society. As academicians, it is our duty to create a group of learners and citizens who are aware about the responsibility towards the environment. It is important to come out of the theorization that is being associated with teaching learning process. We need to make teaching learning and the entire academia sensitive towards the environment, sensitive towards the living creatures. And it is also important that we don't only talk about environmental protection or environmental rights, we also practice it. That is why it is essential to cultivate values, to cultivate environmental ethics, and also to make people aware that how the rights of the individuals are essentially related with the idea of environment. And that is why we need to rejuvenate, we need to think about the environmental protection from the